The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Champaign County, Logan County, Western Greene County, Clark County until 11:45 p.m. At 11:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near St. Mary's, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and pines. Locations impacted include New Jerusalem, South Vienna, Millerstown, Kaiser Lake State Park, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Duke Carlin, Cherry Hut, Dial 10, West Mansfield, East Liberty, St. Mary's, Bug Creek State Park, Logansville, North Lewisburg, Harmony, Nickertown, Snyderville, Mutual, and Newport Field. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 41 and 68. You are listening to NOAA Weather, all hazard. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Warren County, Northwestern Clinton County, Southern Greene County until 11:45 p.m. At 11:20 p.m., thunderstorms were located along a line extending from South Middletown to Finneytown, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bayville, Clarksville, State Route 123 and State Route 132, Fort Ancient, South Lebanon, Lytle, Mount Holly, Luttrell, Beacon, Kings Island, Landon, Corwin, Jettown, Cedar Creek State Park, Morrow, Ogden, Kingland, Interstate 71 and U.S. Route 68, and Lake State Park. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 26 and 53. The severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Greene